We're in Delaware, qualifying day 2, qualifying round 3. We're all around the cut for the first time in a while. Hopefully we all make it. I bowled really well last night. Keven bowled really well last night, except for one pair. Bug was leading at some point, so he's still in the cut, and BJ's the first man out. Time to get it.
Already into reactive. 10 back.
Guys, if you want to buy some sick merch like these hoodies that we're wearing, you can go to the house, use code BUG for 10% off. Thehousebowling.com. It's going to run through Sunday, 10% off, because we want to pump Bug up to make this TV show. So let's get him on there. All right, guys, so that was probably the worst I've bowled all season. Physically, it was okay, but decision-making was the worst it had been. I didn't observe my ball reaction enough and notice that the quick balls weren't it. I was too focused on trying to create a shape that I saw the previous blocks in terms of as my balls got earlier, I should throw cleaner stuff. And unfortunately, this morning, it was as my balls got earlier, I just needed to keep moving in and keep lofting it a little bit. And instead, I went to the cleaner bowling balls, and the cleaner bowling balls seemed to either hook super early and change directions or kind of get past the pattern. So what I needed to do was use a smoother cleaner ball instead of some of the other options that I had, like the Ethos and the Archetype Hybrid, which worked previous days. They just weren't going to work today. So some bad decision making. I only needed like 20 over. I ended up going like almost 100 under. I only had one 200 game. Every single game I split 3 times. I didn't really miss a bunch of spares. I didn't really make a whole lot of bad shots. I just was max penalty on all my shots that were close but not quite good. So went a little better for the other 2 guys. So.
Started off hot, blazing, 279 points. I wanted to go like 100 to 150 over today just to stay cool, calm, collected. Firing 279, got the guns going. I was like, let's shoot this 6-game record in my head. But we didn't do that today. It's 190 over. We are the number 7 seed going into tomorrow.
The reason that lefties and righties don't bowl the same game is Boog told me he grinded today to go 200 over.
Tomorrow we bowl the winner of the Sean Rash Tommy Jones.
Guys, the last recap I gave, I complained. And every time I complain, it always goes my way. I'm just kidding. I bowled a really good block the last block. Peggy, give me that. I fake complained. I stayed in it mentally. I bowled a really good block. I went like 130, 140 over or something. I don't know. When the lefties weren't bowling very good, I shot 238, 258. The last two to sneak in to match play by 7 pins as the number. The last 2 games I didn't score watch like I typically would. I had no clue if I could get there or not. I was just going to bowl, and whatever happens, happens. And after I got the first one in the 10th, I almost looked up at the score, and then I was like, I don't need to look. I don't need to look. So struck out, and I will see you guys in match play as I bowl against Nate Stubler, lefty versus lefty match. So we'll see how it goes. I try to move in just a little bit because I feel like they're already hooking a little bit. And I threw it out the window, but I already think this ball's too early. I already feel like...
Stealth, probably stealth, right?
Well, either the Pure Madness or Stealth.
Okay.
We took the Pure Madness up some, so...
Yeah. That, you change the height of the pins.
Right.
Quite frustrated today. It just seems so early. 6 pin. All right, make him think. Yeah. That was Much better.
Okay, yeah, much better. I don't think I'll have to move that much probably. Like, I don't think I'm gonna have to press too much if I'm far enough away from it, you think?
No, yeah, you won't.
Can I kind of stay there? Get into the
I
center?
think you camp there for a while. Like, especially with him,
especially if I'm throwing it that way.
and he's playing much further away from you.
Yeah.
About Tommy.
Oh, Tommy Jones?
Yeah.
Not that far. Can I just throw it that way? Also, a really
Shot.
Good shot.
All right. Nice shot. Sorry, I'll make this one.
He is gonna make this one. Bet $1 on it, everyone in the chat. Just 40,000
just-
people win $1. Please, God, Stuber, please make this. Dude made every other split. You guys haven't seen all the footage, but he's like 9 of 10 on splits through 2 games in 1 frame. Put it in the bio. Boom, told you. Guys, I don't have $20,000. I just don't have it to give to you guys. I'm sorry. That's a good shot.
There you go.
Shot. Pretty good.
Pretty good. Yeah.
Come on, Kevin.
it is.
I just need to move quicker.
Yeah.
I
When you
gotta
see something,
be
you
more
gotta
like a
feel.
right-hander.
Yeah.
Hook? How does that not hook? Come on, man, make a shot. Let's go. What's wrong with this lane?
Oh, I threw straight at it. Come on now. Good shots.
Go! Yes! Good shot! I land there the whole time. I might need to get into
I
the
think if
river.
he strikes on this left lane, you get into the... I still think you switch.
Okay.
There you go. Come on, nobody better than that right there.
Projecting the total of this game being 500. Are we taking the over or under on that one?
I'm going to go under, but I think it's going to be close.
483. All right, good shot.
Good shot.
There you go. Come on now. Still here.
Oh, come on. Don't give me that one.
Come on, give him one. Look. All right, good shot. Good shot.
Ball returns suck.
Or we could just go Brooklyn on purpose.
You think?
No. Yeah, come on now. Come on. Just throw another really good shot on the right. You only got one shot on the right lane left. Just make it your best.
Come on, man. Can't have much more chances than this. I'm not upset. I gave him game one. He picked up every split possible to shoot 190. It was insane. I should have bowled a little bit better game, but having the two lefties, they got tricky, and that was the best executed match I've ever bowled in my career, and I can say that hands down. I bowled well. We went to a game 7. I had a chance to strike out to beat him by 1 on a lane where I wasn't really had the best ball reaction, and I pocket 7-10 in the 9th. It could have gone a little differently, but I bowled well, and I'm okay with that. He bowled sick. Probably the most fun match I've ever been a part of as well. We went back and forth, 1 for 1 for 1. So a lot to build off of that. My execution was good. My mental game was better. I saw the lanes a lot better. I saw my ball motion a lot better. So right as I'm figuring it out, we have a month off. No big deal. We'll come back and we'll do the second half of the tour season. Until then, I'm going to eat my nice ice cream and give this mic to Boog.
Yeah, I'm bowling Tommy Jones. Bowled with him all week.
How do you feel?
Anxious, nervous. This is my first best of 7 match play against a Hall of Famer.
I love Tommy Jones.
He's one of my favorites.
Tommy, I love you. He's not
Tommy, you're not watching this.
He's doing
Definitely not watching.
promise you.
Hopefully we can win a couple games.
You got the best ball rap on your side, bro. I got you.
Dude, I know.
Tommy Jones who?
Dino's going to be there all day.
Wow. I will not be ball rapping you now.
Yeah, you will be.
Oh, there we know.
Yeah.
No, we'll be repping Tommy.
Whoa.
Get him, Tommy.
But no, 7 seed. Let's make
All right.
at least win one game. I'll be happy with that.
You want to win one game? We're the 7 seed for a reason. Guys, do you like mint chocolate chip ice cream? Because I know it's an all or nothing deal. Let me know in the comments.